Are you looking for the best smartphone under the budget 10,000 rupees? Then watch the video till the end. I am going to tell you the best smartphone under the budget 10,000 rupees and no other smartphone can compete with this smartphone. So let's get started. Hey, what's up guys, this is Akhilan from AkhilanTech. Redmi has launched their one of the best smartphone in the budget category. It is nothing but the Redmi 9 Prime. Let's go into detail of this smartphone. This Redmi 9 Prime smartphone comes in the 4 colors. One is the mint green, matte black, sunrise flare and space blue colors. This smartphone is powered by the latest MediaTek Helio G80 processor. It comes in the 2 variants. One is the 4GB RAM 64GB variant and the 4GB RAM 128GB variant. This mobile phone has the 6.53-inch Full HD Plus IPS LCD display. Out of the box, it comes with the MIUI 11 and the Android 11 operating system. It has the 5020 mAh battery and it supports 18W fast charging. But in the box, we'll get only the 10W charger. If you go into the camera side, rear it has a quad camera setup. One is the 13 megapixel camera and the 8 megapixel camera. This is the ultra wide angle lens and also 5 megapixel camera which is a macro lens and also 2 megapixel camera which is a portrait sensor. Front it has the 8 megapixel selfie camera. Fingerprint sensor is mounted on the back side of the mobile phone. If you go into the pricing segment, the base variant that is the 4GB RAM 64GB variant is priced at 9,999 rupees and the next variant that is the 4GB RAM 128GB variant is priced at 11,999 rupees. My opinions on this smartphone is that the base variant that is the 4GB RAM 64GB variant is the best budget smartphone under the segment 10,000 rupees. If you are looking for a best smartphone under the budget 10,000 rupees, then you can consider the base variant of this Redmi 9 Prime smartphone. But the next variant that is the 4GB RAM 128GB variant which is priced at 11,999 rupees, in my opinion is not the ideal price for that smartphone because in that price segment, we also have the best smartphones like the Redmi Note 9 which is somewhat better than this Redmi 9 Prime which you are getting at 12,999 rupees. In this 10,000 budget range, there is no another smartphone which can compete with this smartphone because the processor is MediaTek Helio G80 processor. No other smartphone has this processor in this budget category. So for gaming, it will be the best smartphone under the budget 10,000 rupees. If you find this video is informative, drop us a like down below and share this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to AkhilanTech YouTube channel. Also, don't forget to watch this video out there because it will be more interesting. That's it from me today. See you next time.